AM plus AC plus
So look,
PM.
first and second after ring. The left hand, this is the left hand part. This is left hand part of both equations, and this is right hand. So left hand will be added to left hand, right hand will be added to right hand. And what we will get now? AB plus BM plus AC plus CM is greater than AM plus AM. Is it clear everyone? जो राइट इस साइड सिंबल्स के राइट में है वो राइट में ऐड होगा, जो लेफ्ट में वो राइट में ऐड होगा. ठीक है, क्लियर बेटा?
Yes, sir.
नाउ लुक,
Now it will be
AB. Now I am going to combine this one, BM and CM. Okay, BM and CM. We have to combine this one. So AB, BM plus CM. I'm going to combine, and what is the third one? That will be AC. Greater than. Now look, AM plus AM. It will become 2 times AM. Yes or no? 2 times AM. Now look, anyone please tell me what is the sum of BM and CM?
BC.
What is the sum of BM if you are going to add this one BM and this one? What we will get?
BC.
That we will get whole BC. Clear?
Sir, I have solved C.
BC, and here AC remains same, and this is 2 times AM.
Sir,
Now look at the question.
I have solved.
AB plus BC plus AC means sum of all three sides is greater than
2 AM.
2 times AM. यही तो हम
Yes.
is it, that means this statement is
Correct.
true. Okay, that means we can say that
Yes, it is
yes,
possible.
it is possible. क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है is this thing AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM.
Yes.
So yes, here it is possible. Okay. Okay.
So,
Those who are not taken my previous classes, is it okay for them at least?
so
Harshita beta, I am asking to you, and those who are not taking my previous classes, Shraddha, Aditi, and rest they are taken. Yogesh.
So,
Who is that Yogesh?
Yogesh
Everyone
is-
come on video.
Sir, I am having one question.
Yes, tell me.
So, in third question, here it is
Everyone
given.
come on video. Who is that Yogesh? Show me your face.
So, see now.
एक मिनट बेटा. Who is that Yogesh?
Student.
Huh?
Student is there. He is Bhagat.
अरे मैं पता तो चले मैं कौन बच्चा है ये. I don't know who is that. Yogesh, why your camera is off? Everyone come on come on video. Atharu Deshmukh, Vinil, Aditi, Srishti, and Soham.
This is coordinate.
Soham, show me your book and notebook. Vinil and Soham. Otherwise मैं तुम लोगों को रिमूव कर दूंगा यहाँ से. Where your notebook, Vinil? Now they don't show me their notebook because they are not doing nothing. कुछ नहीं हो सकता इन बच्चों का. Now coming to
Sir,
next question, question
sir,
number
one
4.
question.
Yes.
Sir, in third question, it has given consider the sides of triangle, triangle ABM and ACM. Then we have considered it triangle 1 and triangle 2. Yes, sir. Then in fourth question, it is same like this only, no? And how we will consider if there is not given?
किसने कहा कंसीडर करने के लिए? मैंने बोला था क्या?
यहाँ पर
उसमें दिया है, दिया रहने दो।
नहीं दिया तो भी हम बंद कर।
और क्या भाई? You have to show that the result is correct or not. So look at their fourth question. ABCD is quadrilateral. ABCD is you can draw any type of quadrilateral. This is ABCD. I'm not taking the diagrams which are given in the question. I'm just taking my own way. And hey, remove your hand. I'm not taking the diagram of question. I am taking the diagram my own way. So solution. How to start this one? Look up, if you are talking about in triangle ADC, that means I'm talking about in this triangle ADC. What is that? How to use the property? That will be definitely AD plus DC is greater than AC. Clear? Clear? AD plus DC is greater than AC. In triangle BCD, that means I'm talking about in this triangle, this one. Okay. So here I will write BC plus CD is greater than BD. In triangle ABC,
In triangle
AB plus BC is greater than AC. Clear? And in triangle ABD, AB plus BD, no, AB plus AD, AB plus AD is greater than BD. These are the four equations, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Adding, because time is getting running out, so you can write with me with speed. Adding first, second, third and fourth. I am adding these all the equations. Left hand will be added to left hand, right hand will be added to right hand. So look, AD plus DC plus BC plus CD plus AB plus BC plus AB plus AD is greater than where I will write now. Next page is greater than AC plus BD plus AC plus BD. Now here will becomes to look 2 times AB, 2 times AD, 2 times AD, 2 times BC and 2 times CD. DC, CD both are same thing. So everything will be of 2 times. So 2 times AB plus BC plus CD plus DA or AD is greater than 2 times here. AC will be there. AC plus BD.
So we
Take
can write like this
2 will
also
cancel
here.
out. It will becomes AB. Note it down. Take a screenshot. It is completed. If any problem, I will discuss tomorrow this question again. Take this screenshot. So answer is yes. Take this screenshot, everyone.